Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to do revision of exercise 11C and 11D of mathematics, and this is prepared by me, by your maths teacher Alvina Gill. So I request you all to open your books. Exercise 11C, page number 104. All of you take your revision notebooks so that we can do the revision of exercise 11C and 11D. So, as you can see, we have different place values. Before decimal, we have ones, tens, hundred, and after decimal, we have tens and hundredth. So, while adding, we have to arrange the digits very properly so that the answer should be right. As you can see in the screen, it is written 2.4, 3.25. We have to add this. So, we have arranged it very properly, like place value ones we have written under the ones, tenth under the tenth, and hundredth under the hundred. So the main thing is in this is arranging the digits properly, because if we will arrange the digits properly, then only we can get the correct answer. So 5 we will write is as it is. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Now 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So the answer is 5.65. Okay. Now moving ahead. Now here I will explain you that how you have to write the digits. As you can see, it is given 2.357 and the second digit is 3.140. You can notice that how we have lined up the decimals. Now, if the digit is 2.357 and the second number is 6.14. So, what we can do at the end, we can add 0 to help with lineup. Means for proper arranging up, for proper lineup, we can add 0 at the end of the digits. Like as you can see, the second digit is only 6.14. So, for proper lineup, we have added 0 at the end. So now 7 plus 0, the answer will be 7. 5 plus 4, the answer is 9. 3 plus 1, the answer is 4. And 2 plus 6, the answer will be 8. So the final answer will be 8.497. Once again, the answer is 8.497. And after the decimal, the digits are, we have to pronounce them as single. 497. We will not pronounce as 497. We will pronounce them as 497. So the main thing is in addition or subtraction. What we have to do, we have to line up the digits properly in a sequence. Okay, so that the same place value should come under the same place value, like 2 under the 6, 3 under the 1, 5 under the 4, and for 7 we have added 0. So if the proper lineup will be there, then only the answer will be correct. Now moving ahead, here we have some solution of the sums, as you can see. Okay, this is for just for your revision, for explaining you. Like as you can see in the number 1 sum, 28.2, 93.5. So we have lined up the digits very properly. Then we will add 2 plus 5, 7, 8 plus 3, 11. So 11, 1 will be here and 1 will be carry over. Then 2 plus 9, 11 and carry ka add 1 karenge. Then the answer will be 121.7. Okay. Now second one. Okay. Let's see the 15th one. 15th one देखेंगे बेटा. 15th question में it is given that 363. Okay, no decimal is given after 363. So the second digit is 80.5. Now if we want, we can insert decimal and put 0. 363.0. Then what will be the answer? 0 plus 5, 5. 3 plus 0, 3. 6 plus 8, 14. 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4. So the answer will be 443.5. Okay. Now, as you can see, 17th one. 17th देखेंगे. 80.2, 52.8 and plus 13. So, if we want, we can add 0 in 13. 13.0. ठीक है? For just proper lineup, we can add 0. So, 2 plus 8, 10. 1 carry. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6. 8 plus 5, 13 plus 1, 14. So, the answer is 146. So, students, I am repeating this, that proper lineup means proper arrangement of the digit should be there. You should know that how you have to write the digit, how you have to line up the digit, because the same place value digit should come under the same place value. Understood? 1 should be under the ones, 10 should be under the tens, 100 should be under the 100. 10th should be under the 10th and 100th should be under the 100th. If the proper lineup will be there, then only our answer will be right. Moving ahead, now here are the more solution. As you can see, 3 digits number are there. You can see the solution, and please, I request you all to do the revision at home. You should practice at home of the addition of the sums. Now we move on to subtraction of decimal fractions. The rules of subtracting decimal numbers are: write the digits of the given numbers 1 below the other such decimal points are in the same vertical line. Means that when you are writing the digits, that should be proper lined up, or same place value digit should be under the same place value, and we should keep in mind the decimal. ठीक है, हमेशा decimals का proper decimal should be under the decimal. As you can see, subtract as we subtract the whole numbers. ठीक है, subtraction वैसे ही करना है as we are doing the subtraction of whole numbers. As you can see in the example below, 13.94, 8.93. So here decimal should be under the decimal only. Then only we can arrange the digits properly. Now 8.93 we have to subtract. So 4 minus 3, the answer is 1. 9 minus 9, the answer is 0. 13 means 3. We cannot subtract 3 from 8. So we will borrow 1. So it will become 13. 13 minus 8, the answer will be 5. So the final answer will be 5.01. Okay. Now the second sum you can see in the example. Subtract 6.156 from 8.8. So in subtraction we have to write the bigger digit top and smaller digit down. So 8.8 subtract 6.56. As you can see, in 6.156 extra 2 digits are there, but in 8.8 there is not. So what we will do? We will add up a 0 there. We have added the 0, so it became 8.800. So now we will subtract. Now we cannot subtract 0 from 6, so we will borrow. The next number is also 0, so we can't borrow. So 0 will take from 8 and it will become 10. Then again it will pass, then it will become 9. So the last one, it is 10. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 5, 4. And 7 minus 1, 6. And 8 minus 6, 2. So the final answer is 2.644. You have to always keep in mind, you have to add up 0 if the other digit is having the digits after the decimals. Okay. Now moving ahead, here as you can see, according to the place value we have arranged the digit. Ones, 100, tens, ones, decimal point, then tenth, then hundredth. Now at ones place it is given 4, at tenth is given 14. So 11, and we have to subtract. As you can see, the places here, okay? 125.51. We have to subtract 10.74. So what? We cannot subtract 1 from 4, so we will borrow. It will become 11. 11 minus 4, the answer is 7. And here it is 4 now, so we will borrow. It will become 14. So 14 minus 7, the answer will be 7. Here now it is not 5, it is 4 because we have already given the carry, borrow. So 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. So here 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 and 1 will be written as it is. So 125.51 minus 10.74. So the answer will be 114.77. Now here we have discussed the worksheet. As you can see, the sums we have written. This is your means just an example for you to how we have written and what are the answers. So students, please revise the exercise of addition and subtraction 11C and 11th D at home once again, so that you can understand the arranging of the digits properly, and please do the revision. Till then, thank you everyone. Stay safe, stay at home and keep studying. Thank you. Have a nice day.